Do you need a business insurance when running a foot care business? Nowadays, it is necessary for all business, especially foot care business, to have an insurance. I have made a video about how to start a foot care business, and if you have missed that, go and check it out. That I have mentioned briefly about the insurance. Hi, my name is Emilia. I'm a nurse and insuropodist. I run a foot care business here in Sweden for more than 11 years now, and my goal is to help people succeed on their foot care business. In this video, I will talk about insurance, what you need to think about when you're trying to find insurance or insurance policy. It's quite complicated if you're new in business. It's not easy to find all the answer. What do you need when you're starting a foot care business? What do you need to insure and why you need insurance? So there's two main reasons why you need insurance. There'll be more, but I'll tell you two reasons why you need insurance to start a foot care business. The first one, of course, is your security. You need to be confident that if something happens, because we never know, that you don't start being bankrupt already. So you got that sense of security, that peace of mind, when you are not worried about what could happen. If you are insured and you know what insurance you got, you will have more time trying to make your business succeed. Yeah, you don't have to, if you are not worried, you can just do your thing and think about how to get a client, what you're gonna do, loads of things that you need to start a business. So peace of mind is very important, of course, less worried. That's why you need business insurance. Another thing is customer trust. That's also another thing. If you have a business insurance, your client or customer will trust you, and it will show that you are serious in your business. You're serious about what you do. So that's very important. So what should your insurance be covered? First of all, it should cover like general liabilities. For example, water damage is very, very important, because in foot care business, if you have if you're going to open your treatment room, you will need water. So sometimes you might find a room, you rent a place where there's no water, or different sink that's for foot care business. You might need to change and have a little works needed to convert it as a suitable foot care business treatment room. So water damage is very important, and never touch the water. Make sure you use the qualified, insured expert to do that for you. Another thing is fire. You need to be covered with fire, because you never know. If it's maybe an old building, it can things can happen, machine can burn or whatever, so you really need fire cover. And burglary, it depends where you are, of course, but it is better if you're covered for burglary, because you never know nowadays. It just sad, but you cannot trust anything or anybody, so you should be covered with burglary. You should also be covered for machine and equipment. In food care business, you will need like electric chair, a special chair to you for client to sit on, so you can save your back when you have to lift the client up or down, because you need your back in the right position so it doesn't get damaged easily. And then you have the electric field, you need as well. It's quite expensive. It can be manufacturer guarantee, but it cannot be covered somebody come and steal it or you drop it or whatever. So machine and equipment should be insured. You might also need cover for your patient property. Maybe they have an expensive jacket or whatever they might have with them, so it's nice if they are covered as well. Client or customers' money, valuables, of course, if it's valuables, and your money in your business, so if they should be covered. Interruption, if something happened to your treatment room, it's get flooded and you cannot earn some money, so you should have that insured as well. It should include in your insurance. For example, also glass, like your window indoors, make sure it's included in your insurance. Crisis insurance, they can happen some crisis, I don't know if, but it's best if you have that. It's maybe mugging or thief, something like that. It's horrible to think about it, but it's nice if it's covered. It will give you peace of mind. Also, legal protection. If you're unlucky and somebody sue you, you have a legal protection that insurance pay for your legal fees. It's not, I have not heard anything that's been sued in our profession, but you never know. You never know nowadays that suing, it becomes tradition or very common. So it's so sad that things like that can happen, but it can, I don't know. Well, I said, in our profession, I've been working for around 11 years in this field, and my colleague that I have contact with, we have a union, which we have meeting and contact via Facebook and via social media. So we have we had contact with each other. We know what's happening in our area. But anyway, it's nice if legal liabilities is covered. Personally, my three main insurance policy covered are, it's equivalent to English as treatment insurance. It's covered for if something happen, if I accidentally cut the client toes or whatever. I never do that, but it's treatment insurance, one main thing I have. And of course business insurance, which is your place. You insure your place, your money, your equipment, your window, your doors. That's the one that's covered, fire, water, things like that. And health insurance, when you get sick, that you can have money while you are not able to work, or accident, it's health insurance. So those three, I already mentioned what's in those three. Like treatment insurance, it's for your protection, so if the client sue you, you are safer, that you have a legal fee, also legal protection. And business insurance, where, as I said, fire, water, equipment. And health insurance, if you got accident, you cut your finger or whatever, you get sick or something like that. So they are the main insurance you need. If you find this video interesting or useful, hit the like button, and I hope you share and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.